Today we are discussing prepositions. Some of the main points of prepositions are, it is used to show place and time. There are 3 different types of prepositions. The same word might have separate meanings, and the accusative is used for motion towards, while the ablative is used at times when stationary is needed. These are some of the most commonly used ablative prepositions. This example means, Marcus comes down from the tree. The ablative prepositions can be remembered, using sid space. The accusative prepositions follow. Thank you for watching.